What if the perfect yacht wasn't just a dream, but a vessel you could live aboard while sailing around the world? That question echoed in my mind the moment I stepped onto the deck of the Neptunus 750F superyacht, a vessel so exquisitely engineered that even seasoned captains whisper its name with reverence. Known among elite yacht enthusiasts and Caribbean yachting circles as one of the ultimate expressions of boat life, the Neptunus 750F is more than a luxury yacht. It's a lifestyle, a floating sanctuary, and a statement that every lover of sailing and boating dreams about. At 78 feet 1 inch long with a beam of 18 feet 11 inches, this Neptunus 750F yacht balances size, elegance, and raw maritime power with flawless precision. Designed by the award-winning naval architect Gregory C. Marshall, it blends superior seakeeping ability with a contemporary aesthetic that turns heads both at port and while underway. Boarding the yacht felt like entering a world where every detail is calibrated for comfort and performance. The deep V fiberglass hull slices through waves with confidence, while twin Cat C32 assert diesel engines, packing a combined 3,650 horsepower, deliver a cruising speed around 26 knots and a top speed of 32 knots. But to call this vessel merely fast would be a disservice. The Neptunus 750F boat embraces every aspect of boat life tour with exhilarating precision. From the luxurious teak-decked exterior stairs and aft deck to the ergonomically designed center helm featuring 3 custom helm chairs and dual Raymarine Axiom 16 displays, this is a private yacht engineered for those who refuse to accept anything less than extraordinary. The interior is where the real magic begins. Whether configured with 3 or 4 staterooms, including natural walnut woodwork throughout and custom layouts for salon, dinette, and galley, the Neptunus 750F boat tour feels like a world tour of opulence. Imagine waking up in your master stateroom, sun breaking through panoramic windows, then stepping into your fully appointed galley to brew coffee before starting your day on the water. Every moment feels cinematic, like something out of a mega yacht tour video you'd watch again and again. Out on the flybridge, under the custom carbon fiber hardtop, the air carries a salt-sprinkled breeze, and all eyes are on the endless expanse of the sea. This is where the Neptunus 750F yacht tour becomes more than just a video idea. It becomes a chapter in your life. With 15 HP proportional bow and stern thrusters, wireless yacht controller, and advanced navigation electronics, maneuvering becomes second nature, even as you glide into secluded bays or open ocean routes. Every fan of Yachts Tour and mega yacht content knows that a vessel this capable isn't just for tropical days and serene seas. It's built for true sailing around the world adventures, from Caribbean yachting waters to remote archipelagos in the Pacific. With nearly 1,600 gallons of fuel capacity, expansive freshwater tanks, and crew quarters that ensure both comfort and efficiency, the 750F blurs the line between yacht and a private floating estate. Walking through the salon and observing quartz or marble countertop finishes, plush seating, and high-end entertainment systems, every detail reinforces why this vessel is coveted by superyachts aficionados who crave both luxury and performance. From spacious living areas flooded with natural light to a fully equipped galley that makes gourmet meals feel effortless, this yacht is as functional as it is breathtaking. There's an emotional pull, too. It's the feeling of standing on the bow as you glide past uninhabited islands during a boat tour, or watching the sun dip below the horizon on a luxury yacht tour with the Caribbean Sea at your feet. It's the sense of wonder when you realize that just a few hours ago, this same vessel was moored in a marina, and now it's your private passage to freedom. It's boat life, pure and unfiltered. And yet, what truly sets the Neptunus 750F superyacht apart isn't just its size or specs. It's the way it integrates the spirit of adventure with unmatched comfort. Whether you're documenting your next boat life tour, sharing a private yacht tour with fans on social media, or taking a group of friends on an ocean cruise, the 750F stands as a testament to luxury, craftsmanship, and the enduring appeal of life at sea. So here's the real question for you. If you could set sail on any corner of the globe today, from Caribbean yachting routes to remote Pacific islands, would you choose the Neptunus 750F to carry you there? Because once you experience life aboard this majestic yacht, the world's oceans feel less like a boundary and more like an invitation. If this story inspired your next boating adventure, don't miss out on what's coming next. From exclusive yacht specs breakdowns to breathtaking Neptunus 750F yacht tour videos. Subscribe to Yachts World for cinematic tours, insider yacht reviews, and everything boat life related. Your next voyage begins with us.